Hi, my name is Shannon Barrett, and I had the opportunity to work as a wholesale intern this summer at the Fringe, New York. So my day-to-day tasks consisted of steaming clothing, sending out emails, working on account lists and clients directly, unboxing new products, doing displays, and social media marketing. Obtaining my internship, I was sent out an email by Dr. B, took this as an opportunity, reached out directly, had two different interviews, and got the job immediately after an hour my advisor called. What I enjoyed the most was working and building connections with my team, working with amazing brands, and spending time as an intern in New York City. So, the three most important things that I learned is always be open minded and take those chances outside your comfort zone. Two, a wholesale showroom is much more than sales. And three, people won't always respond, but don't get discouraged. And my advice for future students is start the internship process extra early and always live in the moment and experience every opportunity that's offered your way. Thank you.